In this video, I'll show you how to design a cost calculator in Outgrow, a tool that makes interactive content creation simple and powerful. If you're looking to add a cost calculator to your website or marketing campaigns, this is the perfect guide for you. Stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through the key steps to create an engaging, functional, and effective calculator, all in just a few minutes. But first, did you know you can try Outgrow for free using the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses? You'll get full access to all the features, so stick around until the end for more details on how to claim your extended free trial. Let's get started. To create a cost calculator in Outgrow, the first step is to sign up and log into your Outgrow account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can start building your calculator. Start by clicking on the Create New button, then select Calculator from the list of options. This will open a clean template, which you'll customize based on the type of cost calculator you need. It could be a simple price estimator or something more complex that factors in different inputs and variables. Outgrow's interface is drag and drop, making it intuitive even for beginners. Once you've chosen your calculator template, it's time to define the variables. Think about what inputs you'll need from users. For a cost calculator, this might be quantity, size, or specific services. Add fields for these inputs using the Add Element button, which allows you to include options like sliders, drop-downs, or text boxes. You'll want to make sure the user experience is seamless and easy to follow. Next, set up the logic for the calculator. This is where the magic happens. Outgrow allows you to create dynamic responses based on the user's input. For example, if a user selects a certain option, the next step might change accordingly. This is done by defining formulas within the calculator's logic section. You can set rules like if A is selected, show B, or input a formula that automatically calculates the total based on certain variables. Once you've configured the logic and design, it's time to customize the look and feel of the calculator. You can adjust colors, fonts, and even upload your own branding to make sure it fits seamlessly with your website or campaign. Outgrow gives you full control over the visual elements, so your calculator is not only functional, but also attractive and on brand. Don't forget to add a call to action at the end of the calculator. This could be a button that directs users to contact you, sign up, or download more information based on the results they get. You can customize the CTA text and link it to any page you choose, making it a great lead generation tool. Finally, once your cost calculator is set up, preview it to make sure everything works perfectly. Outgrow's preview feature allows you to test the entire flow and ensure that the logic, inputs, and final calculations are accurate. After that, you're ready to publish. You can embed the calculator directly on your website or share it as a standalone link. To wrap up, remember that with Outgrow, you can design a cost calculator that not only engages users, but also captures valuable leads. The platform is easy to use and gives you all the flexibility you need for customization. If you want to try it out for free and get our exclusive bonus, just click the link in the description below. With Outgrow, you'll have the tools to create cost calculators that deliver results. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today.